Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the seamless process of claiming your tax back directly from Revenue.ie in Ireland. Thousands of employees across the country overpay their income tax every single year without even realizing it. The good news is that navigating the online system is straightforward, and you can securely claim refunds for up to the last 4 years. To get started, you will need to open your browser and sign in to the official Revenue.ie account portal using your personal PPS number, date of birth, and secure password. Once you are inside the main dashboard, look for the Pay.ie Services section and click on the link that says Review Your Tax for the previous 4 years. From there, you will select the specific year you want to review and officially request your statement of liability. Next, simply click on Complete Income Tax Return to begin adding your eligible expenses. This is where you can easily claim massive reliefs like the rent tax credit, which is incredibly valuable for tenants, 20% back on out-of-pocket medical or non-routine dental bills, flat-rate employment expenses for specific professions, or even working-from-home utility deductions. Go ahead and input your exact figures into the corresponding forms and submit the electronic return. Revenue will automatically recalculate your true tax liability based on these new details and process any refund owed. If you are due money back, it will typically be wired directly into your registered Irish bank account within just 5 to 10 business days. Always ensure you keep digital copies of all relevant receipts and documents on file for 6 years, just in case Revenue requests proof of your claims down the line. Don't leave your hard-earned money with the taxman. Log in to My Account today and claim what is rightfully yours.